Urinary incontinence. Urinary incontinence is a common problem amongst women. Exercise plays a vital role in overcoming complications of urinary incontinence. Asanas for urinary incontinence are Tadasana. Stand with both legs joined. Raise toe with both arms in air. Breathe in and hold for 10 counts. Repeat for 5 times. Tadasana with wide legs. Standing with legs wide toe, raising with both arms in air. Breathe in and hold for 10 counts. Repeat for 5 times. Veerbhadrasana. In standing position, take your one leg on side. Perform lunge with both hands on side. Take a deep breath and hold for 10 counts. You can repeat this exercise on both sides. Namaskar Mudra in chair pose. In standing, join your legs in squat position. Make Namaskar Mudra and hold for 10 counts. Repeat for 5 times. Namaskar Mudra side to side. In standing, join your legs in squat position. Make Namaskar Mudra. Turn on your right side and hold for 10 counts. Repeat for 5 times. You can perform same on your both sides. Malasana with pulses. Standing in wide leg with toe pointed outwards. Perform sumo squats and stand back again. Repeat for 10 times, 3 sets. Veerbhadrasana in front side. In standing position, perform forward lunges and stretch your spine backwards. Hold the position for 10 counts. You can perform this with both legs. Physio exercises. Exercise 1. For this exercise, you need a physio ball or medicine ball. Place the ball under the heel. Lie down on your back and try to lift your back with keeping legs straight and hold the position. If you find this difficult, you can perform the same exercise with leg fold by placing ball under your calf muscles. Perform this exercise for 3 to 5 times with 10 seconds hold. Exercise 2. Lie down on your back. Bend your knees and place the ball between your legs. Squeeze the ball and hold for 10 counts. Exercise 3. Lie down on your back. Place your hands behind your back. Lift the leg and bend from your knees. Then try to straighten your knees one by one. If you find it difficult, you just simply slide your legs on the floor. Exercise 4. Lie down on your back. Bend one knee and keep the other leg straight. Lift your leg up to 60 degrees and hold the position for 10 counts. Repeat this exercise with both legs for 4 to 5 times each. Exercise 5. Lie down on your back. Place your hands behind your lower back. Slowly lift your both legs together and hold at 60 degrees for 10 counts. Repeat this exercise for 3 to 5 times. If you are having back pain, avoid this. Exercise 6. Next exercise is Russian curls. Lie down on your back. Place your hands behind your lower back. Alternately, lift your leg from thigh and take it down without touching the floor. Repeat this for 10 counts of 3 sets. Exercise 7. Next exercise is scissors. Lie down on your back. Place your hands behind your lower back. Lift your both legs sideways in air alternatively. Repeat this for 10 counts of 3 sets. Exercise 8. Single leg bridging. Lie down on your back. Place your hands on the floor. Bend your knees. Put one knee over another and maintain this position while slowly lifting your back. Hold position for 10 counts. Repeat this with both legs for 3 to 5 times. Exercise 9. Lie down in the sideline position. Bend one leg and keep another leg straight. Take hand support by keeping it under your head. Lift your upper leg up and bring it down without touching the floor. Repeat for 10 counts and 2 sets. Perform this exercise on both sides. Exercise 10. Lie down in the sideline position. Bend one leg and keep another leg straight. Take hand support by keeping it under your head. Lift your lower near to floor leg up and bring it down without touching the floor. Repeat for 10 counts and 2 sets. Perform this exercise on both sides. Exercise 11. In sideline position, bend your upper leg and bring it in front by taking elbow support. Slowly lift your body in the air with one arm straight in the air. Hold the position for 10 counts and 3 sets. Repeat this on both the sides. Exercise 12. Lie down on your back. Bend one knee and keep one leg straight. Lift your straight leg up while lifting upper body with both hands straight. Hold this position for 10 counts and perform 3 sets. Repeat this on both the sides. Exercise 13. Lie down on your back. Lift both legs in the air while lifting upper body with both hands straight. Hold this position for 10 counts and perform 3 sets. Repeat this exercise on both sides. Exercise 14. Lie down on your stomach. Place your elbows near to your chest. Lift your body with help of knees and elbow. Maintain position for 10 counts and perform 3 sets. Exercise 15. Lie down on your stomach. Place your elbows near to your chest. Lift your body with help of heels and elbow. Maintain position for 10 counts and perform 3 sets. Some pranayams are also beneficial in urinary incontinence, like throat breathing. Sit in cross-leg position on the floor or bed. Place hands on knee. Take a deep breath from nose with mouth closed. Hold breath for 10 counts. Then slowly breathe out from mouth. Repeat this for 10 counts. Candle blowing pranayam. Find a comfortable position to sit in, preferably upright. Place one hand on your chest. Now imagine the candle is lit and your aim is to blow out the candle as you breathe. Take a deep breath in. Then exhale through your mouth and blow out the candles in front of you. That's candle breathing. Do this on repeat for as many times you are comfortable. Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Place your left hand on the left knee and palms open to the sky or in Chin Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching at the tips. Place the tip of the index finger and middle finger of the right hand in between the eyebrows. The ring finger and little finger on the left nostril and the thumb on the right nostril. We will use the ring finger and little finger to open or close the left nostril and thumb for the right nostril. Press your thumb down on the right nostril and breathe out gently through the left nostril. Now breathe in from the left nostril and then press the left nostril gently with the ring finger and little finger. Removing the right thumb from the right nostril, breathe out from the right. Breathe in from the right nostril and exhale from the left. You have now completed one round of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Continue inhaling and exhaling from alternate nostrils. Complete 9 such rounds by alternately breathing through both the nostrils. After every exhalation, remember to breathe in from the same nostril from which you exhaled. Keep your eyes closed throughout and continue taking long, deep, smooth breaths without any force or effort.